Hello and welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If it is your first time here, my name is Omoyo Karaoke. Because kitchen is a shared space, you need one that is big and very well equipped.
This one is quite spacious because we can actually cook a number of people in this room. You can see the cutlery there, the pots. The storage space is quite a lot for a number of people to use. There's a big fridge there for us, and there's a big cooker with about 6 cooking plates, so it makes one perfect space. And then from there you go to the laundry area. This hostel has a laundry room. You can use those machines at a fee, of course. There's a washing machine and a dryer, which makes it another big plus.
So when we are not in the room, we are outside enjoying the fresh air and the swimming.
So we'll be taking you to our room where we spend most of our time. I like to do my own laundry. There are laundry services in this hostel, but just because we've been here for so long, and of course we have to keep saving a coin, $1, I do my own laundry. And that's how we park the bikes. There. So this is our friends, and then the 2 of our bikes are behind there. Hello. So I'm just from collecting my laundry, and I'll just put it down here, and then we can have the tour of the room. This is what you've been waiting for, to see our little space that has been home for the past 95 days. So let's start. I've just come through this door, and here we have a double-decker. Hostel rooms don't come with one bed like hotels. In a hotel you can get a room with just one bed or 2 beds, you can make choice. But hostels will always have extra beds because it depends on the bookings. Sometimes you have a couple and children, or sometimes you have a group of people who want to share a room. And so this is the smallest room that is available in this hostel, and it has a double bed for us, which we use that one, and then it comes with the decker. So the decker is also our wardrobe, come storage, come everything. Bottom here we have Dose's stuff, and yes, that's how it looks like. And then on top here we have some of my stuff. If you remember from my Instagram stories, my pannier was leaking, and so we had to get out everything that was in the pannier, and it goes up here. So that's our wardrobe, come storage, come everything. Then if you come here, this is our workstation. Down there we have our helmets, and uko ndani ndani is where we charge the phones and we charge the laptop. And this is our working desk. We have 2 seats for both of us. We hardly have to sit here together to work. We have different schedules, but sometimes we have to do like IG lives, or we have to do like TV interviews, and then we are here together. That's where we put our phone, our camera to project to the TVs. Then when you turn around like this, now this is now the real place. This is our bed. This is where we sleep, and most of the times we are also lying down here watching Netflix. Our kind host Michael gave us a fridge for ourselves, and even gave us a tray where we can put our dry stuff. We have the spices, the coffee, the eggs up there. Yeah, of course, my Nescafe. There's no life without Nescafe. And then we have everything else we want in the fridge. And then this is our entertainment corner. We hardly watch so much of TV, but sometimes we just want to catch up with what's happening, and so we watch CNN, which is the English channel that we have. I think there's also Fox News available, but yeah, we just prefer CNN. And below the TV is where we keep our toiletries. These are the stuff that we don't really need to keep in the bathroom, so they stay here, the bigger part of toiletries. And then on my right, this is our wardrobe. So this one takes our riding gear. At the bottom we have our boots, at the top we have our jackets, and then we have our rubber shoes for daily wear when we are going to the supermarket, or we are going to the immigration to renew our visas. Those are the shoes we wear. Next to it is my little wardrobe. Like I told you, Dose keeps his under the decker. This is my wardrobe. I keep my stuff here. Everything of mine is in that bag. And next to it, the laundry basket. Yes, that's where the dirty clothes go. So let me show you our bathroom. I love this space. So this is our little bathroom. We have our bathroom items there. We have a lot of sanitizer, 70% alcohol, and then of course this is our shower, the only room in the entire hostel with hot water, so we are very lucky. And of course today we got a new curtain. Cute, I like it, pretty. So that makes our little space, and this has been home for the past 95 days, and it's likely to be home for another maybe 15 or more days, we don't know, but we love it here. We've enjoyed staying here, like it's really comfortable. And what makes this place special, it's Michael is so kind to us, and he has treated us like family, always taking care of us, always checking on us, and he comes to the hostel every day. So if you're traveling to Nicaragua, and you will be in Managua, which is the city of Nicaragua, you cannot afford to stay somewhere else. You're going to stay at Managua Backpackers. On Instagram, they're called Managua Hostels. And on Google, you will find them with the name Managua Backpackers. But I'll put the details down below in the description box. I would also love to hear, especially if you didn't make it home, if you were locked down somewhere else other than home, I would like to hear how you've been coping with your little space that you call home, or the place that you've been calling home since the lockdown found you there. So please share your details, share your experiences, share your stories of your lockdown wherever you are in the comment section down below. this is the end of the room tour plus hostel tour. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. What's your journey back home like? Share those details with me. I really appreciate. Thank you so much, guys, and until the next video, it is bye for now.